I have figured out a method that will save you ink and paper and time when you are trying to figure out if this test square meets the right measurement for you. Okay, so the easiest way to do that is to put your ruler kind of like lean it up on your screen like this, and increase your view by 1% every time to see if it will do right for you. So right now, it's almost there. You can zoom your document in and out. It is usually set to 100% at the beginning. Once you press here, you can adjust it as needed. Of course, you can go 101, and they'll give you that. And keep on going up by 1% until you get the document or the test square at the size that you need, which is, in this case, it'll be 3 inches for the Mabel bag. So on my computer, 103% was the correct sizing for my test square. Okay, so far at 103%, that is where I would print my document, because if you look at the lines, they all are within the ruler measurement of 3 inches. Okay, 3 inches here, 3 inches here, 3 inches, 3 inches. Okay, so we changed it to 103%. So what the thing that you need to do now is go to your print settings and get your print settings up. When you pull up your print settings, I want you to first go to Microsoft Print to PDF, and then go to your scale and change that to 103%. Okay. And then when you press print, you'll see that you can change the whole document to a a, a new name. So after you change it to a new name, I will go to open. Then I will find the file. And then I will actually just print out that one page and do a test. So remember to change your print settings back to your actual printer. You do not have to change it to anything but 100% on your custom scale, because now the document should print out correctly. And then do the current page. All right, so this is our printout, and here's our ruler again. So let's see if it works. if it worked. We got our 3-inch, 3-inch. Haha, it worked, you all. So hope this helps you all out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to So Craftin' Good. Love you. Have a great day.